Installation video of cat art gallery. Take out the door opening components and set aside for later use. Install the lower layer. Fold the white edge in advance. According to the text prompts on the insert, insert the tabs into the corresponding openings in order. Put the cat scratching board. The lower layer is installed. Install the upper layer. Take out the remaining parts. Fold the white part in advance. Insert the tabs into the corresponding openings. Combine the two layers. Connect the insert to the lower layer. Note that the insert is inserted to the bottom here, which makes the connection more firm. Install the sign. Fold it along the crease. Insert the insert into the back of the sign. Insert the hanging ears on both sides of the sign into the gap. Note that insert the upper part with grooves first, and slide down smoothly. Stair installation. Decoration installation. Take out the decoration material. Assemble it according to the video. After installation, you can arrange it according to your own preferences. The cat house is installed. Let the kitten experience it.